This afternoon's little visit has brought us to Ashton-under-Lyne, the home of the National Gas Engine Company Limited. Now the building's recently been painted, all this new cladding, but fortunately they've left the name on the back. There's the railway lines that used to bring stuff in and out. So it's nice to see they've preserved the heritage of the building. It's quite a big site, as you can see. And here's some of the buildings that haven't yet been done up. Looks like these are stanchions for overhead cranes. I'd imagine this was another bay once upon a time. It's been knocked down. Been dry all day, but seeing we've decided to come out, it's now raining. So just a little ride around the back of the factory. Quite fancy brickwork and stonework. They've recently knocked a bit down here. I think this is where the old canteen used to stand. These are all national buildings over here. This was the infamous White Bridge, as they used to be referred to.